Hi, I'm Dr. Sabira. Today I'm going to discuss about the treatment of PCOD in Unani system of medicine. What happened to me, doctor? Why I'm not getting my periods? Why I'm suddenly getting weight? And also what triggers acne? Sheila, I have done many investigation of your. You are suffering from PCOD without any systemic disease. Is PCOD serious, doctor? What is the reason of PCOD? No, it's a common disease in age of 12 to 45 years. This is the hormonal imbalance. How can PCOD be cured, doctor? Here I am going to explain you. Alright, doctor, and I also wanted to know about Unani concept and treatment. Let's have a start with the causes of polycystic ovarian disease. The causes of polycystic ovarian syndrome isn't well understood but may involve a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Mostly, the unhealthy lifestyle using refined carbohydrates and lack of exercise is responsible for polycystic ovarian disease. Normally, the ovaries makes female sex hormones and a tiny amount of male sex hormones, that is androgen. This helps regulate the normal development of egg in the ovaries during each menstrual cycle. Polycystic ovary syndrome is related to an imbalance in these sex hormones. In PCOS, they start making slightly more androgens, which causes patients to stop ovulating, get pimples, and grow extra facial hair growth. Normally, one or more eggs are released during each menstrual cycle. This is called ovulation. In polycystic ovary syndrome, the eggs in these follicles do not mature and are not released from the ovaries. Instead, they can form multiple small cysts in the ovary, hence the name polycystic ovaries. PCOS seems to run in families, so the chance of having it is higher if other women in the family have PCOS. Oh, that means I have to modify my lifestyle. Correct. And what about medicine, doctor? In modern system of medicine, they will advise you clomipene citrate tablet for the absence of menses, followed by OC pills that contains steroid hormone, that is estrogen and progesterone. And with this, they will advise you insulin sensitizing agent because in PCOD, insulin get resist, that is called insulin resistant, and it happens because of genetic predetermination of having insulin resistant. Moreover, insulin resistant due to abnormal lifestyle choice contribute to insulin resistant, and weight gain itself contribute in insulin resistance. For insulin resistant, they will advise you metformin in obesity and cyprosterone acetate, ethinyl estradiol, and spironolactone tablet in hirsutism and acne. They will advise you. Doctor, can you explain me Unani concept of PCOD and treatment also? Sure, I'll explain you. Unani concept of PCOD is mainly based on the dominance of filthy bulgum, that is flame, Sue misaj barit, abnormal cold temperament of the liver may leads to abnormal production of flame as liver is unable to convert chyme into blood. Instead, it converts it into phlegmatic blood or tenacious blood. Once the blood forms of flame is bulgame which is thinner in consistency and can accumulate in sacs to form cyst, that is called polycystic ovarian disease or PCOD. How to cure PCOD in Unani system of medicine? First is lifestyle modification, which should be emphasized with weight reduction by regular exercise, brisk walk, 5 to 10% of weight loss, improve androgen level. In Unani system of medicine, lays great stress on treating certain ailments by administration of a specific diet or by regulating the quality and quantity of food. In addition to nutritional properties, various food have pharmacological action too. Here I am going to tell you what should be taken and what should be avoided. Lukewarm water or sirka kanji in empty stomach should be taken. Green vegetables, and then add spices such as black pepper, mustard, cumin, garlic to the vegetables. Use plain soup vegetable with dry chapati, not fried chapati. And then fruits, especially in daytime, should be taken. And what should be avoided? Avoid cold water, milk, butter, mutton, oil and fried food like burger, pizza, outside foods should be avoided. This thing we have to taken and this thing we should avoid. Early to bed, early to rise. Enough quality of sleep is also crucial for maintaining health levels of hormones that control appetite and blood glucose levels. Cutting back on sleep can increase your risk of developing obesity and type 2 diabetes. One of the best therapy in Unani system of medicine is hijama. It is also called as cupping. There are two types of cupping, dry cupping and wet cupping. To induce menstruation, hijama, wet cupping is applied over the calf muscle of both lower limbs to divert the flow of blood towards the uterus. It removes the toxic blood from the body, thus it detoxifies the body. The method of hijama is it is applied 2 to 3 days prior to the expected menstruation, one day on one calf followed by its application on next day on second calf it induce menstruation. With dietotherapy and regimenal therapy, there are many more evidence-based medicine available in Unani system of medicine. The line of treatment based on correction of temperament and menstrual irregularity by use of immunogogue drug that is in single or compound form. Munzije Balgam, that is decoction for 21 days for the correction of the temperament, and then purgative 2 to 3 days as per the condition of the patient, and then after for inducing the menstruation, immunogogue medicine, that is Habbe Mudir, is advised. And Itrifal Hududi is advised for the correction of the liver. And then after, and with this all medicine, we advise local application of herbs to reduce severity of hair growth, acne and hyperpigmentation. One of the research has done on PCOD by giving neem 24 gram and ginger 4 gram clean pounded and decoction prepared in 375 ml of water, and they added 24 gram of sugar and given orally twice daily before meals from 5th day of cycle for 21 days per cycle for 3 consecutive cycles. And they noticed that it's due to its anti-androgenic, immunogogue, anti-thrombotic, hypolipidemic, hypoglycemic, and insulin sensitizing properties. It efficiently lessened BMI, fasting insulin, cholesterol, and triglyceride. Thus, it improves the insulin's resistance and can able to combat PCOD. There are many more single evidence-based medicine are available in Unani system of medicine which is helpful in PCOD. One of these is methi, that is fenugreek. It is used in PCOD patient with diabetes and hyperlipidemia as it improves glucose tolerance and lower the cholesterol level. Second is Kalonji Nigella sativa. It is also called as black seed. Kalonji oil was proved to be effective in patients of insulin resistance syndrome and in alleviating the obesity mainly due to its insulin sensitizing action. Next is aloe vera. Trial on female rat using aloe vera gel confirmed that it exerts a protective effect against PCOD by restoring the ovarian steroid status and altering steroidogenic activity due to the presence of phytocomponents. Next is Ulci, that is flaxseed. Clinical trial conducted on PCOD patient using flaxseed 30 gram per day showed significant decrease in serum insulin, serum total and free testosterone level. For the treatment of hirsutism can be used spearmint tea. It is confirmed that it has anti-androgenic properties as free and total testosterone level and degree of hirsutism were reduced, hence it could be a natural alternative for women having mild hirsutism. The conclusion of this video is PCOD is not a serious condition. But if it is left untreated, it may cause long-term consequences like diabetes mellitus, metabolic syndrome, coronary artery disease, endometrial cancer, endometrial hyperplasia, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It is lifestyle disorder where hormone gets imbalanced. 50% work done if you reduce your weight by 5 to 10% of your weight. By exercise, by avoiding saturated carbohydrates, cold item and using green vegetables. There are many evidence-based medicine available in Unani system for the PCOD. You can go for this. Hope this is helpful for you. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.